You were worried that we wouldn't want to have a conversation with you. It's not your fault it's going to be so gusty today.
No, that's absolutely right. You've hit the nail on the head there, Naga. Good morning to you as well, Charlie. Hello there at home. A very windy weekend, so if you've plans out and about, some not very nice weather to travel in because the gale force winds, if anything, stronger tomorrow. It's a whole weekend problem, actually, and the snow as well, probably worse tomorrow in Scotland. But we're seeing snow as it happens at the moment across Scotland. It's quite icy out there as well. And don't be fooled by this dry and bright start in central and eastern areas because the showers are starting to really come in thick and fast further west. But the winds, we're talking gusts of wind up to potentially 50, even 60 miles an hour. Not necessarily as high as that across Scotland and Northern Ireland, but with the snow falling and some fairly blustery winds blowing around, it won't be particularly nice. There could be some snow over the hills in Northern Ireland, far north of England. But look at the gusts. These are the gusts of wind. 50 miles an hour quite widely across the western side of England and Wales, and 30 to 40 inland. We'll see 50 along the Channel as well. So those are potentially disruptive winds, especially when you're driving in the heavy rain as well. Not particularly nice. There'll be some hail and thunder in the north. And of course, with all that happening, it's not going to feel particularly warm. Temperatures around about average for this time of year. But of course, because of all that wind and that spell of rain for a time, that will prevent too many frost even problems tonight. So not quite as cold, but it's certainly going to feel so in the north and the east. And already by morning, the next area of rain's developing. That's the next area of low pressure, which looks as if it will bring even stronger winds tomorrow. Keeping a very close eye on this one. You can see the tightly packed isobars. As that rain comes in, it comes into the cold air for northern Scotland. And hence, as I said earlier, we could have even more significant snow here tomorrow. And the winds could escalate up to 60, even 70 miles an hour through tomorrow from, say, southern Scotland southwards across Northern Ireland as well. And some rain for a time, some snow in the showers over the hills, but the winds will be the main feature. And those at 60, 70 miles an hour could also cause disruption even more so. So don't make this the last forecast that you see. It looks relatively mild, doesn't it, in the south? But again, it's going to feel cold just because of the strength of the wind. So lots going on. There are warnings in force at the moment. They're all on the website, Naga and Charlie. But of course, I'll be with you in half an hour again for an update.
Helen, thanks very much.
Pleasure.
19 minutes.